Welcome to this property in a well-established neighborhood here in Colorado Springs. Do you have a heart for a mid-century property that you want to fix up? This one has a slate that's perfect to get started with. In fact, other than cosmetic updates, most of the heavy lifting has been done for you. Someone with a little creativity and elbow grease could really make this place shine. Whether you're an investor looking to do a fix and flip, or you want to live in the property and fix it up as you go along, the possibilities are endless. Just put on your thinking cap, pull on your gloves. This property is ready for your creative touch. This 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath home has a bonus family room that could easily become a 3rd bedroom. Pull out the carpet and enjoy the original hardwood floor beneath. Even the family room has a lovely parquet floor. A new roof is being installed. Newer windows have been included. The water heater is just 2 years old. The nice-sized backyard includes a 15-by-8 shed. And the Maytag washer and dryer set are also included.
Contact us today for more information and to schedule a private showing. At Steel Team Properties, we believe there's no place like home.